Hello friends, you can log on to primeaptacademy.com to access complete free video courses. So this is the 45th question of the ratio and percentages chapter. So question says a student takes 3 tests and scores 80% in all the 3 tests combined. In the first test the student gets 85% and in the second test the student scores 75%. How much percent marks is scored by the student in the third test? This might look like a very straightforward question, but it's a slightly tricky one. If you look at it, nowhere the question says that all the 3 tests have the same marks. Nowhere, neither does it say that what is the ratio of the marks in all the 3 tests. So we don't know exactly how much marks the student is getting in each of the 3 tests. A lot of students will give 80% as the answer, thinking that 85 and 75 are scored in the 2 tests. So, and in all 3 tests it is 80%. So the middle one should also be 80%. But that is not correct. That is incorrect here. Okay. We don't know how much marks is how much. Say for example, he scored 85% in an exam which was of 200 marks. Okay. And he scored 75% in an exam which was of 100 marks. Okay. So in all he has scored how much marks? 170 marks from here plus 75 marks from here, which is 245 marks out of 300 marks, which is more than 80% right now. Okay, because 240 out of 300 is 80%. Plus, if we also don't know what is the total marks in the third test. For example, if the third test is also of 100 marks, in this case, let the third test will also be of 100 marks. Third test is also of 100 marks. In that case, if the student wants to get 80% overall, total marks will be 200 plus 100 plus 100, which is 400 marks. So student has to get 320 out of 400. 245 is already got. So further 75 is only needed. So 75% only if the student will get 80% in all. But if all of them are of equal marks, let's say it is of 100 marks here, 100 marks there, and at the end the student is getting 80%. So third test the student will also get 80% of the marks. Okay. So we don't know over here exactly how much percentage is, how much total marks is given to each of the tests. So answer over here is cannot be determined. Okay. Answer is cannot be determined. Alright. That's how you solve this question.